Okay, this is 185 pole drive for Kenneth. Okay, this is the top garage. None of the cement. This is the garage on the top floor. The stair hall. And they want part of the stair hall on this top main floor on one tally. 10-foot ceilings. Oops. Got a drop in it all the way down. Another shower. Okay, and then they want this separated, just this whole floor. It's got another drop in it back there. Shit. Add some 12s. And these beams are exposed. And this one over here. And over here, they wanted this separated too, this stair hole. I don't know why. I just split it right with the floor. For this is part of the main room over here, and this would be part of the stairs. Lid too. And then there's a top and bottom on the tally on this. This is main and lower stair hole on the tally. Okay, that's basically the top floor. Here is the down. Okay, this hallway is included on the top floor as a separate price. Nothing in the storage room, which is next to the stairs. Storage room. Nothing in the mechanical room, which is next to the storage room. Okay, now this bathroom and 2 bedrooms are on a separate tally. Pain in my ass. And this part of the hallway to this opening here. Okay. Now this room is separate on the tally, and this is the what do they call it? The lower main room, whatever. And here is the bottom of that stair hole, separate on the tally. And last but not least, this fireplace does get rocked, the one upstairs doesn't. This is the lower garage, which is separate on the tally.